I'm Vikram, Professor Vikram from NMIMS. This is the first year we were conducting this course on Introduction to Blockchain, and we found it difficult to find one particular source or one place or a combination of places where all the material, both theoretical and practical, was kept in place. Luckily, we came across Blocklogy Edutech, which provides the most current state-of-the-art learning and provides it in a very student-friendly and easy manner. It covered various test cases, deployment of smart contracts, the basic concepts, how to demos on DApps, and everything that we wanted and expected from a particular course. Overall, it was a wonderful experience, and thank you for having conducted this workshop. It was a very good and the behavior and the conduct of everybody was also exceptional, and everybody took a lot of pain to come and take part and make the students comfortable and see that the maximum is obtained from the course.
Thank you so much, Vikramji. I would give this special thanks to you and as well as the management, who has given this opportunity, the platform to interact with such talented students in the 3 sessions which we had. So definitely we look forward for more such workshops. As a team we are already conducting, and we are always there for you and for the management also. So thank you so much, Vikramji. Really look forward to do more sessions with you.
Thank you.